Hi, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to do the lazy daisy stitch here, sometimes called the detached chain stitch. And if you watched my chain stitch tutorial, this is going to be really simple because it's a lot like the chain stitch, except it's just individual pieces, which makes it great for doing like leaves or petals for flowers. As always, I have my plastic yarn needle, some yarn and burlap so you can kind of really see what's going on. And let's get started. Oh, by the way, if you're enjoying my tutorials, maybe hit the subscribe button. Lets me know people are watching and encourages me to make some more tutorials. Alright, so let's get to the lazy daisy. So I'm going to just come up and out here. And just like with the chain stitch, I'm going to hold my thumb down and I'm going to come back directly through the hole that I just came up. And I'm going to pull that so I have like a little loop going there. Now I'm going to take my needle and I'm going to bring it up where I want this loop to kind of catch, just like we were doing a chain stitch. There we go. And I'm going to pull it out. Now, instead of making another loop like the chain stitch, I'm just going to tuck it in and make one tiny little stitch here that kind of locks them in position. And that is the first lazy daisy stitch or detached chain. Alright, so I'm going to take my thread and I'm going to come up right about here. I'm going to kind of imagine a little circle here I'm going to go around. And back up, we're going to make another one. Alright, so I'm going to hold them with my thumb, loop back through the same hole. And again, I want to keep them kind of consistent, so I know I want to bring my thread up right about here, my needle, excuse me, and I'm going to go on the inside of that loop, pull it, make a tiny little catch, and there we go. Now we have another one. And we'll do another one. Remember, I'm still kind of imagining that there's a circle going around here, and I'm going to come up and gonna hold it here with my thumb, come again back down the same hole, pull my thing, yarn tight down to about the width I want. Oops, gonna come up but not through the yarn, just coming on the inside of the yarn. Oops, I guess it's best if you guys can see that. Here we go. Pull it up and then just come down on the outside. Not through the same hole, just a little bit on the outside, and again, and let's do one more, and I'm going to do them right across from the other guy. Going to make the loop, coming down the same hole, and then up, open them up there a little bit so I can make sure I'm not coming through the thread, and you can see here I'm not coming through it but very next to it, and pull, and there you go. Let me hold that so you can see a little better. That is the lazy daisy stitch. Don't forget, if you're enjoying my tutorials, consider hitting that subscribe button and the notification. Try to upload a new tutorial every couple days. And see you all in the next one.